Hi everyone. Today we will see what are proper factors and what is a perfect number. First, let us see what are proper factors. The definition says that proper factors of a number are all its factors except the number itself. Got it? Example 1, 6. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. To get the proper factors of 6, remove the number itself from the list of factors. So, you will get 1, 2 and 3 as the proper factors of 6. Got it? Example 2, 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. To get the proper factors of 12, remove the number itself from the list of factors. So, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 as the proper factors of 12. Got it? Example 3, 28. To get the proper factors of 28, remove 28 from the list of factors. So, you will get 1, 2, 4, 7 and 14 as the proper factors of 28. Got it? Observe the above examples. We came to know that proper factors are always less than the number. Got it? With this basics, we will move on to the next question. Now, let us understand what is a perfect number. The definition says that a number is said to be a perfect number if the sum of its proper factors equals the number. Got it? Example 1, 6. We know that the proper factors of 6 are 1, 2, and 3. So, the sum of proper factors of 6 is 6. Got it? Since the sum of proper factors of 6 is equal to the number 6, 6 is a perfect number. Got it? Example 2, 12. We know that the proper factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So, the sum of proper factors of 12 is 16. Got it? Since the sum of the proper factors of 12 is not equal to the number 12, 12 is not a perfect number. Got it? Example 3. Is 28 a perfect number? Yes, because the sum of the proper factors of 28 is equal to the number 28. So, 28 is a perfect number. Got it? Remember, all known perfect numbers are even. Got it? Thank you for watching. For depth understanding of maths, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.